The REDTIGER F7NP dashcam kit offers impressive dual recording capabilities with ultra-high-definition 4080p and full high-definition 1080p resolutions, ensuring clear capture of important details like road signs and license plates. Equipped with an exceptional night vision system, the REDTIGER F7NP features an advanced optical lens with a large f1.5 aperture, allowing for clear video capture even in low-light conditions. The dashcam integrates seamlessly with your smartphone through Wi-Fi, enabling easy access to view, playback, and manage footage using the REDTIGER app on both iOS and Android devices. With a built-in GPS, the REDTIGER F7NP records essential journey information such as driving route, real-time speed, and location, offering additional evidence in the event of an accident. The dashcam's loop recording feature ensures continuous video capture by overwriting old footage, while the G-sensor automatically locks and saves videos during sudden collisions. For enhanced security, the REDTIGER F7NP provides a 24-hour parking monitor with time-lapse function, though it requires a hardware kit to operate in parking mode.